Welcome to Auto Plus, my channel. And today, I'm about to take you on a journey inside something that doesn't even feel real. You won't believe what's inside the all-new 2026 Mercedes Villa Motorhome. This isn't just a vehicle. It's a rolling luxury villa that redefines the meaning of travel and home on wheels. The moment you see it, the sleek Mercedes design stands out with its futuristic curves, elegant chrome detailing, and a stance that makes it look like it belongs more in a billionaire's driveway than on the open road. Step inside and the magic begins. The living room greets you with panoramic windows that flood the space with natural light, plush Italian leather seating, golden accent trims, and a smart entertainment system that seems straight out of a high-end penthouse. Every inch screams comfort and luxury, making you forget you're inside a motorhome. It's a lounge that rivals five-star hotel suites, yet it moves wherever you do. Move a little further and the kitchen unfolds like a masterpiece. Sleek wooden cabinets with chrome finishes, state-of-the-art appliances, and a design that balances style with function. From the induction cooktop to the full-size refrigerator, Mercedes thought of everything. Even the lighting feels intentional. Warm golden glows that make the space inviting, whether you're cooking a gourmet meal or just making a midnight snack. The bedroom feels like stepping into a luxury villa retreat. A king-size bed dressed in premium fabrics, elegant headboard with subtle LED backlighting, and soft wooden textures that wrap you in a calming embrace. It's designed not just for sleep, but for true relaxation. Imagine waking up to a new view every morning, whether it's a mountain range, a beach, or a city skyline, all from the comfort of your own luxury suite on wheels. And then comes the bathroom, where Mercedes shows off its mastery of space and elegance. A rainfall shower, marble-inspired surfaces, ambient lighting, and a spa-like design that makes it clear this isn't an ordinary motorhome. It's a bathroom that feels more like what you'd find in a luxury villa than on the road. The 2026 Mercedes Villa Motorhome isn't just about travel. It's about living without compromise. A fusion of engineering, design, and comfort that creates a new level of freedom. This is more than transportation. It's a lifestyle. So if you ever wondered what happens when Mercedes decides to bring villa luxury onto wheels, this is the answer. The 2026 Mercedes Villa Motorhome will blow your mind. And honestly, it might even make you rethink what a home should be.